Beautiful, bro. Beautiful.
The show was amazing.
Incredible.
What do you think of the set?
Yeah, it's good. I think it's really nice. Matching with the color of my outfit, right? Yeah.
I'm pretty excited. The set is pretty rad. It's visually pleasing. You know, it's kind of like Truman Show-ish.
It reminds me of that Truman Show. It's like its own little paradise.
C'est magnifique, hein? C'est beau. On a l'impression de voler. On est dans les airs, ouais.
It's incredible. Like the paintbrush, like all the tools of creation, the ciseaux, the ruler. I'm sitting on the ruler. The guy has a wonderful imagination and a kind of resource to present such a wonderful spectacle. Yeah, I'm very happy to be part of it and to be here.
Yeah, I love the suits. There's this crazy button-up made out of like a bunch of button-ups that was beautiful. All the leather, I mean, I don't know if you could tell, I love leather. It's like my favorite texture. And he had these crazy like dark, like red wine burgundy leather suits. Top tier.
C'était très très joli, c'était beau, magnifique. What do you think Virgil is bringing to Vuitton?
I think it changed a lot what people would imagine Louis Vuitton would be, but as like thinking outside the box, I think it's really cool. Yeah.
I love that he is incorporating streetwear with sartorial style. It's very important for the young generation as well as the older generation. It sort of builds a bridge between the two. I think he's done an amazing job and moving the house towards the next generation.
He's changing Vuitton in so many ways because he's making Vuitton part of the younger culture in a way, so it's really affecting culture.
I like this one book bag. This book bag I was really interested in the pinks. I really like the pinks. And the way it was casted as well, it was really well. You bring a whole different world, a whole different dimension. You bring everybody together in his own world. So he does the same thing with Louis, you know what I'm saying? Now it's like everybody can be a part of this. It's not like too preppy, it's like more global branding.
I think he's changing the game in menswear. He's definitely something new and refreshing for the brand that we haven't seen before, and I think that's why he's making all of these dope moves and people are taking notice of him, so it's really cool to see.
I think it's just important for culture, like what he's doing with music and just with his own brand. I think coming to Louis really just made it crazy. It just translated to kids too, you know?
The show was amazing. You know, the accessory pieces that he had with the face, I thought was very creative. It was a good addition to the pieces. Congratulations, Virgil. That was an amazing show.
Everything he does gets better and better. So it's just amazing to watch him grow.
I love it. I feel like heaven. Or the one that had the heaven on it.
Merci Virgil and merci Louis V.